Good morning. It's an overcast day here in Arizona, so it's nice and cool. It's about 10 degrees Celsius, which is possibly, I'm guessing here, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Correct me if I'm wrong. But today I'm just working on the bar here. Just got it on some crates that we'll just put steel around the edge, and then it's going to have lots of little bits of vertical steel, and then a footrest at the bottom, or whatever they call it, kick rail at the bottom, and that'll be going into the lodge for the tenants when they do move in here. And meanwhile, Armando, he'll be painting the cab, the orange, so he's masked it all out yesterday, and then once that's done, we've got the bed to do, and then we'll rest up for a little bit on this project. We'll put it outside and bring in the Oldsmobile, or maybe bit of maintenance on one of the other vehicles. So yeah, that's what we're up to in Arizona today.